Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Brown Sun. It's me Tushar Bagar and I'm vlogging today. So guys, aji moi vlog to din ba start kore. So I just took bath and mala lunch khaina. Now I'm going somewhere. Moi mala friend la go jabo. Kun la go jabo moi apni angela pichit dikhao. So let's go guys. This is today's weather. Aji la clouds khan sawale man. To edit korala cloud dishna miles korala. Finally we are here in the shop man Singju kane saman ekta duita lobole ase. Let's see what we take and then we will be going somewhere. Sai saw ki kilo to avasta mo kote video banai to avasta oi. But I look smart today as always. I don't need your compliment guys. My friend is coming. Chata loina hai today. I be jaldi.
Night.
Yeah. पगला से किला इतु पड़े आले हो दीता इतना न्यू स्टार्टिंग मैं कोई दे जा रहा है को पता कौन सी अंकल 200 जीपे करो pay the bill girl चल we're getting late we're getting late excited to eat but we shall die to I don't know by the way. Guys, Liala goes over the adventure go like it opens and I have Uchagas mountain the way. Taiko mountain des. Hi, go. Hi. To Javinagi. Mon get lit corridor. Ajito again the cow.
Business. 100K hot chili dikhao.
Guys, we mountain. Hi, go. Hi. Guys, Liala go. Borde. Bishu Podas, Taiko Bishu mountain areas. Oh, last time my friend gets China Jato Pashido. Oh, master, my friend. Guys, I'm making this roti. As you can see, this is so much perfect. You know, as a Bengali son, my mother have taught me everything. I'm a very good husband material.
Is this roti or?
This is Aloo Paratha made by Tushar. This is Singju. We are preparing for Singju too.
It's so good.
Yeah, it's a little excuse me, done. Yeah, guys, you have to make this in a gada. And it's in whole. Oh my god.
No, it's dough.
It's a dough. Now we have to put aloo in it. Where I'll show you the aloo mixture is. This is the one. You have to put it like this. Oh my god, it looks so yummy. Yeah. Maybe that's enough.
Yeah. Huh?
Guys, you have to do like this. Wait. And then you have to, this is momo. Now we have to do little chapta here. Yeah. And then we have to put a little flour on it. And ulta. And then you have to take your rolling pin and then just roll it down. It's okay. Guys, this is natural rolling pin. Yeah, it's been in the Almara since years.
Yeah.
So we actually don't eat at home. But today we are a little excited to make. So we are just preparing at home. Or else we just order from the outside and eat.
Yeah.
A lot of money.
Yeah.
Done. That's it.
Okay guys, so now we are frying the aloo paratha. Let me flip it. Yeah. With oil. We'll share the recipe later. Yeah. Put it in the comment.
Just comment yeah for the recipe.
I think it's drinks from that.
This is not Julie. This is little.
See.
Please decrease the volume. Yeah.
Upgrade the volume now. It's very tricky, I will see.
It's not about
good.
it. Little things enough for. Guys, now we are finally preparing for Singju. We have kurkuri, Krishna motor, then YY, our bujia kan ase. Now we have this boiled aloo and marcha also, katina rahina, and then we have this banda gobi, aro chili oil halina ase, chili powder lot. So mon prepare kora bishi log power. Kubne dikhe ase. YY. Oh, YY.
Yeah.
Yeah. Common yeah for the recipe. Itu bujia. Krishna motor. This is peanut.
What's not?
Lots of Krishna motor. Kurkure bhi hali di tha. Yeah. Lots of Krishna motor. Kurkure. Then added aloo wala.
What? Oh.
We have boiled potato, onion, green chili.
Chilling.
It's okay. No worries. Yeah, of course. Cabbage. Oh my god.
It's full, yeah. I think we need another container.
It's okay.
Why so you?
Bye guys, mix for now. We're gonna pour lemon now. Chili powder a little bit. A little bit, okay? A little bit because we have already put a lot of chili powder in it. Oh yeah, voila. Sure. Mix it, girl. Oh my god, it looks so tempting.
So, like, we prefer hygiene. Is it?
Yeah. Just don't waste it. Oh my god, it smells so tasty. Yeah. That's enough.
Yeah. So we are done. We're gonna have this all. Oh my god, this is so delicious.
What is this?
This is Aloo Paratha.
And then
This is Meza. Hashtag Maza.
Maza.
And this is
Singju.
Singju, yeah, kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's get started, guys.
Yeah, girl, I know. Oh my god, the weather looks so beautiful. Oh my god. Clouds. Amazing. This is the Taiko Village Baptist Church. Our new bana se valley to have hoy. Bishi dangor hoy to may opening jam ne dikhawa.
Yeah. You're gonna look.